Quand on aime ce qu'on fait,
When you love what you do, it's not complicated. And so I love what I do. It's been quite a number of years now that I've been with Applexion, a little over 15 years. I have a background in engineering, specifically food processing and biotechnology. I started my career as a salesperson. Later, I moved into managing teams and doing a lot of business development. Then, in 2010, I took on responsibility for what we call customer service. And then I was appointed to this position as sales director.
une bonne approche commerciale,
A good sale approach is to try to add value and provide perspective for our clients. Like any company, we're dealing with people who face challenges. What is the challenge for a manufacturer? It's, for example, a need for optimization. They need to reduce cost. It's a need to reduce their carbon footprint, which is actually essential today. It's a need to diversify and therefore to develop new products. So we actually have to be able to grasp all of that. That means spending time with them, having conversations, and understanding their environment, all to build a relationship of trust. This echoes a situation we've just experienced. It's among the best feedback there is. When a client says thank you, they're thanking us for our commitment and our investment. On a 2-month project, we managed highly complex initiatives. In those 2 months, we rose to the challenge alongside the client. We were on the same roadmap, we were all aligned, and we were all fully committed. And it was this collective intelligence that ultimately led to our success. And the client gives us this feedback. We knew how to create a truly collective closeness, not just the Applexion team or the client's team, but actually all working together as one. It's a conviction that we have real know-how. We've been around for 50 years with over 800 installations worldwide. We know how to adapt. We demonstrate expertise and innovation. And so, yes, other markets are opening up for us. We rely on technologies that we have complete mastery of, which we continue to develop in both traditional and new markets, because the world is indeed changing, and so are we.